Hello and welcome. This is a guide for using flexible dates in Google Flights. So let's say that you're traveling from London to Paris and you don't have a specific date that you want to travel on. You know that you're available, say, in August, and you know that you can only have 2 days off. So you select that here and then press done. What this will do is find you a weekend trip in August, all included. And then here we can further tailor the search using all the filters. So if you go on price, you can get it down to whatever your budget is. You can select airlines, any particular interests that you have in mind, duration of the flight, carry-on baggage if you want, and that will tailor your search for this. So we can click on that. We can see the available flights here. And if we click view flights, it will bring it up into here. So again, if you want the cheapest, click on that. That will give us the cheapest flights available for departing. So we want that one. And then returning flights, we can also click that. Then once you have done that, you can check all your details here, change flights here if you need to, etc. The dates. So as we have said, we want to fly in August with just a weekend. So we're leaving on the 20th and returning on a Sunday. So make sure you double check the flight dates and stuff like that. But yeah, that is how you do this, guys. Basically, I hope this video helped.